My resolution this year is to never make resolutions again. Fred Moore here with BeyondGoodEnough.com, and another tip on how to go beyond good enough. What else, right? I don't really care for New Year's resolutions. Now, bear with me. I think goal setting is a good thing, but resolutions are, I don't know, pretty pointless to me. Think about it. It's New Year's Eve, the ball drops, and you sit there and go, okay, I have a resolution this year. I'm going to say this because that's what you're supposed to do right now. Everyone makes New Year's resolutions, yeah? Okay, well this year I'm going to lose weight. This year I'm going to stop smoking. This year I'm going to start my own business. This year I'm going to get out of debt. And then what happens? Nothing. Nada. Zip. People usually don't do anything. They don't do anything about this goal of theirs. They don't do anything about the goal. They just say it. It's out there in the universe, and hopefully this will happen, right? Well, guess what? Next year rolls around, New Year's Eve. Hey, oh yeah, I forgot about that resolution. Well, this year's going to be different. And the vicious cycle begins all over again. This year, don't set resolutions. What? You don't want me to go beyond good enough, Fred? No, don't set resolutions. Don't make resolutions. Set goals. Goals can be achieved. Goals will be achieved. Resolutions are just arbitrary statements that you throw out there. Set a goal for yourself and make sure the goal is a specific goal, that it's clearly defined. It's not, I want to lose weight, it's, I want to lose 15 pounds. And make sure that there is a deadline. And make sure this deadline is not, oh, you know, sometime this year I'm going to get started on this, and then, you know, before the end of the year, because you know what's going to happen? If you do still remember this goal you have around November, you're going to scramble and go, oh yeah, I said I was going to lose 15 pounds. I've only got like 2 weeks to do it. Come on, hurry, and it's not going to happen. So set a deadline for this goal. Make sure it's clearly defined. You know exactly what you want. You're very specific with it, as detailed as you can get with it, and there is a deadline that you're going to go for. You're going to achieve this goal by this specific date. If you do this, instead of setting a resolution, guess what? You will more than likely achieve this goal, because it's a goal. It's not a resolution. I resolve to make this happen. No, it's a goal that you're going to go after, you're going to get, and you will be successful. If you're watching this video any place but my blog, do me a favor, head on over there right now. It's really easy. Just type right in there, BeyondGoodEnough.com, and it'll take you right there like magic. It's magic. And while you're there, do me a favor, leave a comment. Click the like button, share it with all of your friends out there, and help them to stop making resolutions and start setting and getting their goals done. See you in the new year.